Here we are for the Recover framework. The Mind Muscle Memory Recover framework is where we look at specifically how do you recuperate from these activities you've been doing and the things that go on each day in our life. Okay, so this is where it all comes together. We can do all this work, but if we don't recover properly, then we're not going to get the best benefits that we want. Okay, we want to improve our energy, increase our energy, improve our physical capacity. We want all these things to occur, and that's what we're doing. We're using all this energy out of the body, but we need to recover. We need to specifically look at focused recovery. So the first part of our recovery framework is a focused sleeping pattern. Focused sleeping pattern, meaning 5 to 7 hours every night on a biorhythm, because we want our biorhythm working for us. You don't have any food to digest in your stomach. You're just gonna calm yourself down. You're gonna get into a mode where it's darker, there's less activities going on, and then you go in and you get 5 to 7 hours minimum. Of course, we'd like to do a little bit more than that, but 5 to 7 hours is really at least 2 to 3 REM sleep cycles. These REM sleep cycles are necessary for our body to rejuvenate and replenish overnight, okay? So stick with the biorhythm, work on the 5 to 7 hours of focused REM sleep that you shut everything down. Nothing bothers you. You can actually stay in a sleep mode. And when you get that down week after week, year after year, decade after decade, life is long, and we want you to stay strong, right? So you gotta, life is long, so stay strong. You gotta recover from your activities and from your things that you're trying to keep yourself healthy and strong with. You gotta recuperate from those. So focused sleep is the first. Okay, then the next one is really gonna be looking at our focused state of daily stress relief. How are you relieving yourself from stress each day? I don't want you to wait till it's the weekend or it's a vacation time to take your stress levels down. So I have that specific process in which I have brought you through, and that is that in 60 seconds or less, you go from a resting, elevated heart rate and a tightness and a stress level in somewhere in your body, maybe your lower back, maybe your neck, maybe your arms are tight, maybe your hands are tight. You go from 60 seconds, you calm yourself down, breathing smoothly, thinking of relaxed state, thinking of taking yourself out to a different place, a different thought process. In 60 seconds, you go from an elevated heart rate, a tension in some area of your body, to a relaxed heart rate, a smooth breathing pattern, a relaxed body position, okay? But confident relaxed, okay? Not relaxed, not relaxed like this, but relaxed, confident relaxed, calm relaxed. I want you to do that 3 times a day. Now remember, typically I like you to do that before each meal, okay? It's very important, and before each meal, and typically before you go and you do your physical activities, calm yourself down, take 60 seconds, check yourself out, check your stress levels. It's so important not to be stressed when we are digesting our food, okay, when we're eating. And we want to have the hormones that are associated with the stress to be to be calming down out of your body. And research and studies show, and I'm educating on this, is that if we can focus our stress relief and take that stress down, then our hormones will go down. We need to be calm, confident, relaxed, breathing pattern in place. Heart rate is lower. You can sense the heart rate low, but if you want, you can actually check it, right? We essentially want your heart at least beating here at your neck or on your heart rate watch or on your wrist at about 1 second per beat. 60 seconds or less, get your heart rate at 60 seconds and you'll be right on, okay? So really focus on that recovery for your biorhythms of your sleep pattern. Get your sleep pattern in there. Make sure you're de-stressing at least 3 times a day and getting that calm, relaxed state in your body and in your mind. and then of course hydrating, stretching, a lot of other meditative sort of movement things will help, but those are the main pieces that will exponentially make sure that you're recovering from your activities, you're recovering from your day-to-days. All right? So thank you for this, is the M3 recovery framework. Thank you so much.